somebody's grandma. But I am, though. I'm 9, almost 10 people's grandma. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Our Vlogtober series that we're kicking off. Thanks for sharing that with me in the live last night. So, can y'all hear the birds? Now, I didn't have a fall mug, so I'm using a Valentine's mug. I need to get rid of some old mugs and get some new mugs more appropriate for the seasons. But this is definitely Valentine's Day. First cup for the day. I have the Starbucks caramel. I don't think it's salted. But caramel creamer in here. And that's it. No sugar, just the creamer. And this is bed hair. Okay, this is straight out of the bed. I'm going to show y'all what's on my feet. Uggs. These are now my house shoes. And I really need to replenish my Ugg stash for this coming year. For sure. Remy is out here walking to use the bathroom. Do y'all hear the birds? So now y'all are definitely a part of my morning routine, because this is what I do in the mornings anyway. Now I'm just bringing you along with me. Remy is all the way over in people's yard using the bathroom. I don't think he's supposed to be doing that. But honey, let me mind my business. So today, okay, look. Can you tell that it's a fall day? Hold up. Let me show y'all. I don't know if you can tell. But let me bring you up to the sky. Look at the clouds. Do you see the clouds? Yeah? Look at it. Look at the clouds. Definitely an overcast day. Very overcasty. Fall morning vibe. Right? I don't know that it'll stay like. In fact, I don't think it will stay like this. I think it's supposed to get up to like 79 degrees, which is still hot to me. Like, that is still hot. And I went back and I tried to answer reply to as many of your comments from the impromptu live last night. Thank y'all that sent me emails after the live was over for your Vlogtober suggestions, what you want to see for every day for the rest of this month. Great suggestions, super great. So today's plan is, okay, so this is what I'm going to do. When I get done talking to y'all, I think I'm going to clean up my office a little bit, because it's a little bit messy. Clean it up. I'm going to wipe everything down, disinfect everything. And then I'm going to make my way through the rest of the house. Just disinfecting since the party or whatever. You know, we don't want no germs or anything lingering. I'm going to do that. And it is my goal today to not get back in the bed. It's going to be pretty daggone hard, but that is my goal. Do not get back in the bed. Well, I can get on the bed, on top of the bed, just not under the covers like I normally do. Like, I don't want it to look like I'm going back to bed. So I just won't pull the covers down. I'll just put a throw. That is somebody's grandma for sure. I'll just put a throw over my legs. Yeah, so I wish I could bring you in the office to help me clean, but Not clean, wipe everything down. But I can't because I can't show you those pieces until the other one comes. I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. Come on, Remy. On up here. Oh, I thought he was gonna go to the door, but what's up, buddy? What's going on? Girl, he ain't looking at nothing, okay? It's nothing over there. So extra. So extra. He in guard mode right now, I guess. I have my mic on today. Can y'all tell the difference? How on the mic because I didn't know how much nature was going to be singing out here, and I wanted y'all to be able to hear me. This man's so busy doing nothing. So busy. Anyway, how long I've been talking to y'all? Because I'm watching my 11 minutes. Hopefully this video was very enjoyable for you. My time is up. I'm just kidding. I'm just Look at this hair. It's just in its natural state. I mean, not natural. It's always in its natural state. Normally I wet it every day, but today it's just in a little cotton ball. Little cotton ball for you. Okay. Now, back to business. Back to business. You can't see nothing, right? I don't want you to see nothing. I'm going to put this down there. And that way. Okay, so let's see what else I have to tell you. I'm gonna tell y'all something, but I don't know what just yet. Ooh, light, let there be light. Okay, so I don't know if any of these are fall-ish to you or not. But let me show you what I have. Oh, well, there is one. Okay, so I have no bake cookie dough. Is that giving you fall vibes or not? Or we can do chocolate cake. So you look at the options. This is going to be for our next video. So I'm just showing you in this one. Right? So we can do this cake or these. You vote now. You vote. The most things will win. Here's a pound cake. Lemon pound cake. Is that lemon? Yep. Lemon pound. Every time. Lemon pound cake. Or pumpkin spice muffins. So which one do y'all want to take a vote on for us to do in the next video? Which one? Take a vote. And that's what we'll do in our next video. The one y'all choose. The most I see. Leave me a comment down below. I know it wasn't a lot said in the video, which is why I'm going to make these shorter, chattier ones slower. Let me tell y'all, Okay, so I shared in the video, which had the reveal in it. So I went and bought Ron some real flowers and some balloons. I don't know why I thought it was going to be easy putting those balloons in the car, okay? So I had 25 balloons. I would get all of them in and 3 would escape. They literally float out the car. So then I would try to put those 3 in and 3 more would float out the car. It took me, I bust a whole sweat trying to get those balloons in the car until somebody seen me and was like, hey, I'll help you. Like, I'll hold these in. You wrangle the ones that are trying to get away, put them in, and we'll just put the trunk down real nice and slow. It took me forever to get those. And then I literally got here with the balloons, the flowers, the groceries that I was, of the food I was preparing that night, with 10 minutes to spare. And then Ron pulled up. Literally 10 minutes. So I actually hid the balloons and the flowers and the cards in the boys' room. And then I crept back out and brought them out. Now, I wanted to get his reaction for you guys. Like, cause I knew he was going to be totally surprised, thinking, why is no looks of a birthday going on here? Like, my birthday is literally in the morning, you know? I don't see nothing sitting out. And he ended up coming downstairs for something so random. And I heard him saying, oh my God, baby. And I was like, oh. But he was in total shock though. He had no idea that he didn't see where I could have hid them at, first of all. Because he'd been in the house all, that evening. And he had no idea that those balloons and flowers were in here. And I almost left them in the car. Good thing I didn't, because he definitely would have seen them. He pulled up 10 minutes after I did. So yeah. And then we were working on, which I showed you guys that in the video. We were working on the pantry earlier that day. And we got so excited because the glass showed up that same day, and we were so eager to go get that glass and see what it was going to look like in the door that we forgot about the party. So it was just like we were rushing. So let me tell you what I made for the party. I made baked spaghetti, a salad. Ron ordered 150 wings from a Korean restaurant. We had a vegetable tray, a fruit tray, and do we have anything else? Drinks galore, wine galore. I think that was all we had. All the wings got gone. Every bit of the wings got gone. And I had maybe like this much spaghetti left. I made a big old pan of it, and I had like a slither left. So they ate good, right? Ate good, danced. It was an amazing party. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. So I told you guys in the live, if you were in the live, that I was going to host a sip and paint, which I'm excited about because I'm back in my hosting vibe. Like, I'm all the way a whole host right now. So I'm going to be gathering the stuff for the sip and paint. A lot of you had asked me, will I record it? Here's the thing. Everybody don't like or want to be on the internet. I totally understand. I don't even blame them. But I will try and get as much of it without invading anyone's privacy, not wanting to be on camera, as I can to compile in a video for you guys. And I'll make sure I ask first who wants to or don't mind being on camera and who does. And we'll go from there. But I think it's going to be really nice. Sip and paint. I think I want to do a wine tasting. These are my ideas. Wine tasting, sip and paint. Anything that involves a wine glass and some fermented grapes. Count her in. Count her in. Can we do a whiskey tasting? I mean, let's just keep it going. we real grown over here. Let's keep it going. Yeah, that's my plan. Those are my upcoming plans. Plus, we have Thanksgiving coming, which one of you guys was helping Ron and I with the booking of a group hotels near us. So shout out to you for helping me. We ended up going with a hotel that was a little bit closer and a little bit of a cheaper rate too for a group, for his whole family to just go online and block or reserve their room through this link. And it gives them that discounted rate that we got. So we're excited about that. I felt real proud in having done that. We're still trying to plan like what the days will look like while they're here, like what we want to do to entertain them outside the house. So we're still coming up with ideas for that. I suggested the zoo. We threw hiking out into the air. We threw shopping, actually driving to Charlotte, North Carolina, and shopping. We threw that out in the air. We also threw out touring the Black Museum that's in Greensboro. So just little things we can do, but again, we don't know like how the pandemic and how stuff is functioning at this point, or will be functioning a month from now. We don't know. We just don't know from one day to the next. So we'll just keep trying to figure that out. And I think that's it. I think that is it for our chat. Do not forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one of those things you want to bake. The most suggested will be what we bake for tomorrow's video. So let me know. And hopefully you enjoyed this all over the place, talking about nothing, chit chat. I love you guys. To the moon and back. Let me know how the audio sounds. Testing. 1, 2. Testing. I love you guys, and I'm gonna catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye, y'all.